Good morning, my dear diploma students in our states. पिलाମାନେ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଛ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତୁମର 6th ସେମିଷ୍ଟର ଏବଂ 4th ସେମିଷ୍ଟରର ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି ଏକ୍ଜାମ ଆଉ ନ୍ୟୁ କୋର୍ସର ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେବ 5 ତାରିଖରୁ ଜୁନ 5 ଆଉ ମେକାନିକ୍ସ ଅଛି 11 ତାରିଖ ତେଣୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେହେତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଉ ଅଳ୍ପ ଦିନ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ରହିଲା ମୁଁ କେତେଟା ମେକାନିକ୍ସ ସଲ୍ଭ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ତୁମକୁ ବୁଝି ଦେଉଛି ତମେ ଆକୁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରିବ ଏବଂ ଆଶା ଏଇଟା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କଲେ ତମର ପରୀକ୍ଷା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ତମକୁ ଆସିବ ବୋଲି ମୋର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ହଉ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଇଜ the greatest and least resultant of two forces are respectively 17 kilonewton and 3 kilonewton. Determine the angle between the two forces when the resultant is root over 149 kilonewton. Data given. Let P plus Q is equal to greatest resultant is equal to 17 kilonewton. P minus Q is equal to least resultant is equal to 3 kilonewton. Then when the resultant is root over 149 kilonewton, let theta is equal to included angle is to be found out. That is the question theta kete. According to questions, P plus Q is equal to 17, equation 1. P minus Q is equal to 3, equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we have a equation P plus Q is equal to 17, P minus Q is equal to 3. After addition, we have plus Q minus Q cancel. Then P plus P is equal to 2P. 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. Therefore, P is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10 kilonewton. Then, putting the value of P in equation 1, we have, since P plus Q is equal to 17, after putting the value of P is equal to 10, 10 plus Q is equal to 17, then Q is equal to 17 minus 10 is equal to 7 kilonewton. Let theta is equal to required included angle is to be found out between the two forces P and Q. Then R is equal to root over 149 kilonewton. You know that R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta root over. Here R is equal to 149 root over. Here putting the value of P, we have P is equal to 10 square plus Q 7 square plus 2 into 10 into 7 cos theta root over. 10 square is equal to 100, 7 square is equal to 49 plus 2 into 10 into 7, 140 cos theta root over. Here root over 149 is equal to 100 plus 49 is equal to 149 plus 140 cos theta root over. Then squaring both sides, we have 149 square root square is equal to 149 plus 140 cos theta square root square. Therefore 149 is equal to 149 plus 140 cos theta. Then 140 cos theta is equal to 149 minus 149 is equal to 0. Then cos theta is equal to 0 by 140 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta is equal to cos 90 because cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos cancel, theta is equal to 90 degree. This is the required angle. Now, I will solve another problem. Next question, two forces have the greatest and least resultants equal to 18 kilonewton and 4 kilonewton. Find the angle between two forces when the root over 170 kilonewton. Here P plus Q is equal to greatest resultant is equal to 18 kilonewton. Here P minus Q is equal to least resultant is equal to 4 kilonewton. Our R is equal to 170 root over kilonewton. then theta is equal to included angle is to be found out. According to question, P plus Q is equal to 18. P minus Q is equal to 4. Then adding equation 1 and 2. ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କ'ଣ କରିବା equation 1 and 2 add କରିଦେବା. Here P plus Q is equal to 18. P minus Q is equal to 4. Here plus Q minus Q cancel. Then P plus P, 2P. 2P is equal to 18 plus 4, 22. Or P is equal to 22 by 2 is equal to 11. Now, putting the value of P in equation 1, we have P plus Q is equal to 18. Or since P is equal to 11, or 11 plus Q is equal to 18. Or Q is equal to 18 minus 11 is equal to 7 kilonewton. Let theta is equal to included angle between P and Q. When R is equal to 170 root over given, you know that R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. After putting, we have R is equal to 170 root over is equal to P is equal to 11 square, Q 7 square plus 2 into 11 into 7 cos theta root over. Here root over 170 is equal to 11 square is equal to 121, 7 square is equal to 49 plus 2 into 11 into 7, 154 cos theta root over. Or root over 170 is equal to 170 because 121 plus 49 is equal to 170 plus 154 cos theta root over. Then squaring both sides, we have 170 root over square is equal to 170 plus 154 cos theta root over square is equal to 170 plus 170 plus 154 cos theta. Or 154 cos theta is equal to 170 minus 170 is equal to 0. Or 154 cos theta is equal to 0. Or cos theta is equal to 0 by 154 is equal to 0 because 0 by 154 is equal to 0. You know that cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos theta is equal to cos 90 degree or theta is equal to 90 degree. This is the required angle. Now, I will solve another problem. Now, the third question is, the magnitude of two forces is such that when acting at right angles produce a resultant of root over 20, and when acting at 60 degree produce a resultant of root over 28. Find out the resultant of two forces and find the two forces. First, data given. When theta is equal to 90 degree, R is equal to root 2 over 20. When theta is equal to 60 degree, R is equal to root over 28. Let P and Q are two forces. R is equal to resultant of two forces P and Q. R is equal to resultant of two forces P and Q. You know that if P and Q are two forces and R is the resultant of two forces, then R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta root over. Here, when theta is equal to 90 degree, R is equal to root over 20. After putting the value, root over 20 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90 degree. Or root over 20 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ into 0 because cos 90 is equal to 0. Then over 20 is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2pq into 0 root over. Therefore, root over 20 is equal to p square plus q square root over. Then squaring both sides, we have root over 20 square is equal to p square plus root over p square plus q square is equal to 20 is equal to p square plus q square. Here p square plus q square is equal to 20. Then when theta is equal to 60 degree, r is equal to root over 28. Here r is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 60, or root over 28 is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq into half, because cos 60 is equal to half, or root over 28 is equal to p square plus q square plus pq root over. Then squaring both sides, we have root over 28 square is equal to p square plus q square plus pq root over square is equal to root over 28 square is equal to 28. Then p square plus q square plus pq. Or we can write as 28 is equal to 20 plus pq, because p square plus q square is equal to 20. Or pq is equal to 28 minus 20 is equal to 8. We know that p plus q square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq. After putting all the values, we have p plus q square is equal to p square plus q square is equal to 20 plus 2 into 8, because pq is equal to 8. Therefore, 20 plus 16 is equal to 36, or p plus q is equal to root over 36 is equal to 6. Then p minus q square is equal to p square plus q square minus 2pq. Then after putting all the values, we have p minus q square is equal to 20 minus 2 into 8 is equal to 20 minus 16 is equal to 4, or p minus q is equal to root over 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, p plus q is equal to 6, p minus q is equal to 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we have plus q minus q cancel, p plus p, 2p. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, or p is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Putting the value of p in equation 1, we have, since p plus q is equal to 6, p plus q is equal to 6, or 4, because p is equal to 4. 4 plus q is equal to 6, or q is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, the required forces are 4 and 2. Now, I will solve another problem. Next question is, find the magnitude of two forces such that if they act at right angles, the resultant is root over 10 kilonewton, while when they act at an angle of 60 degree, the resultant is root over 13 kilonewton. A question just ago question valia, because when theta is equal to 90 degree, r is equal to root 10. When theta is equal to 60 degree, r is equal to root over 13. Let P and Q are two equal forces acting at an angle theta between them. Then R is equal to their resultant forces. You know that R is equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. When theta is equal to 90, R is equal to root over 10. After putting all the values, we have root over 10 is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 90, because theta is equal to 90 is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq into 0, because cos 90 is equal to 0. Or root over 10 is equal to p square plus q square. Now, squaring both sides, we have root over 10 square is equal to p square plus q square root over square is equal to p square plus q square is equal to 10. Or when theta is equal to 60 degree, r is equal to root over 13. Therefore, r is equal to, you know that r is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. After putting, we have root over 13 is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 60 degree root over is equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq into half, because cos 60 is equal to half. Or root over 13 is equal to p square plus q square plus pq root over. Then squaring both sides, we have root over 13 square is equal to p square plus q square plus pq root over square is equal to 13 is equal to p square plus q square plus pq. Since p square plus q square is equal to 10, since p square plus q square is equal to 10, after putting, we have 13 is equal to 10 plus pq, or pq is equal to 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. Here p square plus q square is equal to 10, pq is equal to 3. We know that p plus q square, p square plus q square plus 2pq, or p plus q square is equal to 10 plus 2 into 3, because p square plus q square is equal to 10 plus 2 into pq, pq is equal to 3 is equal to 16, or p plus q is equal to root over 16 is equal to 4. You know that p minus q square is equal to p square plus q square minus 2pq. After putting all the values, we have, since p square plus q square is equal to 10 minus 2 into 3, because pq is equal to 3, is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, or p minus q square is equal to 4, or p minus q is equal to root over 4 is equal to 2. Now, p plus q is equal to 4, p minus q is equal to 2. This is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we have plus q minus q cancel, p plus p, 2p, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, or p is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Putting the value of a p in equation 1, we have p plus q is equal to 4, 3 plus q is equal to 4, or q is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, the required forces are 3 kilonewton and 1 kilonewton. ପିଲାମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପାଖେଇ ଆସିଲାଣି, ତୁମେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ପୁରା ନୋଟ ଦେଖ, ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କର, ବା ଡିଟେଲ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, ତୁମେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ବୁଝିପାରିବ ବୋଲି ମୋର ଆଶା। ଆଉ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ଲାଇକ୍, ସେୟାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ ମାଇ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ, ଏବଂ ତମ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମଟା ମୁଁ ମାନେ ପଢଉଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେୟାର କର, ସେମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ ବୋଲି ଆଶା, କାରଣ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଇଏରେ ପୁରା ଡେସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ କରି ବୁଝେଇଛି। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।